Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Joyville by Shapurji Palunji near Santragachi railway station, and you are seeing the actual apartment of 1115 square feet sellable area, a 2 BHK with 2 toilets and 2 balconies. So come and see. So this is the living cum dining hall. This is the main entry, and this side you will have your kitchen space. So come and see the kitchen space once. So this is the L pattern countertop along with this basin space, and this side, this is the service balcony. So you will get service balcony like this, attached a very big size French window, and come again. So this is the living cum dining hall, and with this living cum dining you will be having your balcony space. It's a huge balcony space. The size of this balcony is 10 feet by 6 feet, and see, this is the multi-level car parking space. This is the entry and exit, and just above the multi-level car parking you will be having your multi-purpose court. So excellent view from the flat, and not only that, you will be also having a look of the main entry gate of our project. I can show you that. Let me zoom in. So this is the main entry gate for project, and these are the towers. Currently we are having under construction and ready to move both availability. So we are launching our new towers, namely Western Heights, and we are also providing these polo carts over here, and you can also see in the far distance our Joyville office. So this is the Joyville office. So let me zoom in, and I just want to mention you that this is the central garden of this phase of the project. So these are the central garden view from your window, and these are some sold out bungalows of our project. So come and see again inside. So again we are entering into the living cum dining area, and we are entering into the lobby space. Now this is the common toilet space along with separate space for bath, western commode, and the basin area. And come this side. This side on my right hand, this is the first bedroom with having a size of 11 by 11 with all the switch points, electrical fittings, everything. And this bedroom is also having an excellent view of the complex. So you can see this. And this side you will be having another window, and let me zoom in. You can get these polo carts like this. These polo carts are always active to give you a smooth ride inside the complex. These polo carts will be operated 24/7 from main gate to each tower. And now see, these all bedrooms is having provision for AC fittings. We will be providing you the electrical fittings. Now come this side. This is the master bedroom. So see the master bedroom space. The space of master bedroom is approximately 11 by 12. And with this master bedroom you will be having attached toilet space. This is the attached toilet space. And this master bedroom is having another big size window, and from this window you will be having view of the central garden. So this is the central garden view from the master bedroom's window. Multi-purpose court, and under that you will be having a look of multi-level car parking. So it's an excellent flat of 1115 square feet sellable area with having 2 bedroom, 2 toilets and 2 balconies. So thanks for watching. If you're interested, then please call as early as possible. We are running some excellent offers and bank schemes for you for very limited period. So thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.